So we can take, we will start from 2009 version, AX 2012, because before that there's another version is 4.0, 3.0. So we'll start from these version only, which is very popular in market. AX 7 or Dynamics 365 operations. So if we talk about the difference, so till AX, like in these versions, we have two type of client, window client. Okay, but from AX7, we only have web client. We don't have window client. Clear? This is clear? Yes. Yes. Second difference is, in this version, AWS is work as a Windows service. Means whenever we have to install AWS by using an AX setup, and when we installed it, it will come like a Windows service. Means in Windows, you go to the server window, you can search services, and there you will find an AX service which you can start and stop. Okay. But in AX7, the AWS is work as a website. Okay, so if you go to the IIS, so in IIS you will see there is an AWS website is available, and in that website you can use to log in with your client. What advantage there? See, it's not about the advantage. The thing is, because previously we have a window client, so that's why we are using a Windows service. Now, when you have a web client, it means you have a website, and website are always deployed on the some web server. So that's why they converted it as a Windows service to web server, because now we have only web client. So that web client will be handled or deployed by this AWS website, or you can say web application. So that's the web client we are seeing right now. Exactly. Okay. The web client is handled by the AWS, so that is handled by the AWS only. But now that AWS is not work like a Windows service, it works like a website, or you can say web application. Okay. Here's web application. Is this clear? Yeah. Okay. Apart from that, until these versions, we have three type of databases. But now in AX7, we have only one database. Okay. Now, what are these three type of databases is doing? Basically, we have a three type of databases, in which one we have Dynamics data database, which store what? Which store your all the tables. Whatever number of tables you have in AX, everything is stored in this database. Okay. Second, you have a model data database, which stores the metadata only. Okay. Okay, which are like, for example, if I create a table or if I create any GUI interface, so for that, whatever property and coding I'm writing, all these things will be stored in the metadata. Okay. Okay. And third, it has a baseline. The baseline is basically store the upgraded code. What I mean by upgraded code, let's say, for example, if I have I'm working in 2012 version, now I'm planning to move to R2. Means I'm planning to upgrade from 2012 to R2. Okay. So when I'm upgrading, so when I do upgradation, so that time whatever upgraded things are coming, okay, everything will be stored in your baseline. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And now Microsoft has removed these three databases, and they have only provide one database in AX7, which is Dynamics data. There you go. Okay. And that only store your tables. But it doesn't mean that we don't have a concept of metadata. We have a concept of metadata, but now they are not coming as a data source. They are coming as a XML files. So once we go to the further module, that time we'll discuss these models and we'll see the example also. This is clear? Okay, yes. So these are some main changes which Microsoft, the another change which Microsoft has done. Till R3, Microsoft has their own development environment. Okay. Which we call it as a MorphX. MorphX development environment. IDE, Integrated Development Environment. But now Microsoft has moved from this to Visual Studio. So now using Visual Studio 2015 for development in AX7. Okay. This clear? Yes. Second thing is, for this, we have, this is only available on premises, but this is available right now on cloud only. Okay, is this clear? Yeah. Okay, just give me 1 second. I'll just save this file. Then we'll continue. So architecture is clear. Yes. So this is the main architecture which we have in AX.